work for halibut.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks like it's lively. Yeah.
Wait. Welcome back to another episode. So today we're taking the Yeet machine out. Joining me today, Frank. We got Frank right there. We're going to be trolling for halibut the way that Daniel trolls for halibut, but we're doing it in a smaller version. He throws the 8-inch hoochies. We're gonna be throwing 4-inch hoochies. So we're gonna drop that down, troll out to a spot. We got the flasher right here, a leader to our hoochie right here. And we're gonna throw on a squid just like how Daniel does it. And hopefully we can replicate his big halibut catches, because that guy's a beast catching halibut and salmon. Yeah, we're throwing some squid on there just like how Daniel does it. So we're gonna drop it. Oh, I need my weight, duh. You know, but I got some squid that we're gonna be trolling. I think the majority of the day do a little bit of rock fishing, but mainly trolling for halibut. So I ordered a fishing reel, a saltwater fishing reel on the app TEMU. And it's kind of like Wish, you know, stuff that's shipped from China. And I was scrolling through it, you know, trying to see, you know, what can I get, try out this cheap that, you know, who knows, we might catch a big fish on it. And I went and bought this reel right here. It's a 3000 series. I don't know what the brand is. All I know is that it was $22. And I also got these swivels. It's a 3-way swivel, but it's like, it's an odd one. It's an odd and big 3-way swivel. I don't know if you can see that right there. That is a big 3-way swivel. So I ordered both of those off the app TEMU, and so we're gonna try it out today. You know, after we troll a bit and then get to, you know, some rock fishing grounds, we're going to, you know, drop that down. And actually, this right here, I have some swim baits that I've had for quite some time and just never tried them out. They're like, you know, this swim bait, and it has like rainbowish colors with some spots on it. And so we're gonna give that a, oh, is that a bite? We're gonna give that a try. On our last adventure, when we caught that 30-inch lingcod, I gaffed it with a gaff that Mario made me. He custom made this gaff. Has the logo on it. It has a nice wrap to it. ManseraOutdoors right there. Yeah, I just want to give a huge shout out to Mario. You know, he hooked it up, and you know, it's funny because he gave it to me, God, I think it was like a year, maybe a little over a year ago, and I caught nothing worthy of using this gaff. And I told him, I was like, hey bro, I'm getting a little desperate. We might have to go to the lake and I might have to gaff a trout. Super glad I was able to finally use the gaff on something quality. Hopefully, I want to gaff a halibut. And that, you know, that was my first time ever gaffing anything. So, you know, that was pretty cool. Ooh. Oh wait, no, that might have been a snag. Nothing on the troll other than that one gopher fish. So we're gonna use the TEMU rod now with some swim bait. See what kind of rockfish is in here. No, I've caught cabezon, olives, browns in here. This is somewhat shallow. There's bottom. Really doesn't feel too bad for being 22 bucks. Ooh, there's a fish. Come on. On the TEMU reel. Ooh, that's a nice little rockfish. Yeah, I don't know what these swim baits are called, but you know, they're colorful and they obviously catch fish. That's a nice rockfish.
Fish on the swim bait?
Yeah. Oh, me too. I'm on. Oh. Came off. Black and yellow? Nice. Yep, there's a fish. Ooh, gopher. One of the most underrated rockfish because they're, you know, tiny. Good tacos though. Oh, it just hit the bottom. Yep. Nope. Yep. Yep. Ooh, that's good. Either I'm doubled. Oh no. Either I'm doubled up. Nope. Oh, I got a black and yellow too.
What was that?
Or I think no. Yeah.
Parts them apart sometimes.
I know.
I think the black and yellow's got a little bit more of the ochre and
It has a no. It's not a black and yellow. Is it?
the gopher is a little bit more ochre color. The black and yellow is a little more kind of tawny yellow and
Yeah.
brown.
The China's and black and yellow look.
China's I can tell. China's are really brilliant.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a China, you can tell. That thing's like a tropical fish. Oh yeah, China's like slam dunk. It's a beautiful fish. Don't see them very often. That and the tree fish are some of the prettiest fishes there.
Yeah, the tree fish, they're really pretty. There we go. This guy does not want to open his mouth. But, you know, pretty cool rockfish. God, these guys are, you know, what the heck's wrong with my voice? I'm not sick or nothing. I haven't yelled in this morning. I have like that morning groggy voice. I didn't have it earlier. Ooh, finally. Ah.
He's got a 9mm. I took it at target practicing site. We owned that grocery store. I used to, you know, kennel that cash. I always carried a firearm with me.
Oh, really? I'm on.
9mm because it's automatic and a clip range is like 10 shot clip. Yeah, that was a nice gun. It wasn't.
Oh, it's another one.
Oh, there you go. Is that a blue?
No, it's not a blue. Pretty color. This guy does not want to open his mouth. I can't lip him. He's being stubborn. Whoa! There might be some olives right here. That was a big fish. There's something on the top right here. No, I scared it because my bait was near the bottom. I'm on something. It might be what I saw. Feels good. Oh, whoa. Just a bigger a bigger one. But that's not the fish that I saw. That thing was at least twice the size of this thing. There we go. Another rockfish. This is a bigger one. But there's something bigger right here. Something told me this morning, well, I wanted to come out here, but something told me this morning, just go to the over there spot.
The deep spot?
Yeah. And I didn't listen.
Yeah, your instincts were right. What'd you do with all your fish? You must give some of it away. You get some of the fish.
Yeah, I give some to friends, family that don't eat fish often, but you know they eat it when I give it to them. You know, coworkers, or a couple coworkers.
Yeah, last time we went out, you had a ton of fish here. That halibut, you had that huge king cod.
Yeah. Yeah, and I still have, you know, my freezer's like almost full still. But I like to keep it like that. I like to keep it either almost or at full. Because I have a, you know, I got my freezer in the house, and then I got a commercial one that I have in like in my a side room. And that side one, it's like, it has a bunch of other stuff in it, but like I have a good amount of fillets in the commercial freezer. Oh, that's something. Yeah, that's. Oh my God.
That was a bait?
Huh?
Trying to get a bait? That was a rockfish?
That was a rock. That was something. That felt good too. Oop. There it is.
Yeah, there he is. Came back. Came off.
Yeah, he came back. Ooh.
Yeah, there's a good sized brown, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Wow. Almost choked it.
Oh yeah. More like it.
Couldn't sneak past this one. There we go. You want a big jack smelt? Oh, never mind.
Bucktails, I thought. I bet that'd work for halibut.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks like it's lively. Yeah.
Wait. Oh, did it come off? Shut up. Oh my God, that was 100% a fish.
That sure looked like it. Took the bait?
Yeah, it took the bait, the Spanish mackerel.
Yeah.
Dang. Trying to catch more bait. Ooh. What is that? Oh, it's a croaker or a kingfish. That's not what I want. That's cool. Oh, these guys are thick boys. He's not croaking, but there we go. It's a pretty looking fish right there, but too big to use for bait. I just dropped that down. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. I was getting my sabiki out because I saw some jack smelt up top. Some big ones, but then that's some medium ones. What is this? Whoa, it went on a run. Whoa, this might be a lean cod. Whoa. Oh no, just a big brown. Big brown. Yeah. Blah. Big rockfish right there. That I caught on a full squid, and my last squid that I was using to troll for halibut. But you know, that's all right. It's a rockfish. God damn, I'm like craving a nice juicy burger right now.
What's that?
I'm craving a nice juicy burger right now. Oh man, with like eggs, sunny side up, and pop it and just let everything just ooze out onto the burger. Oh, why does the ocean make me so hungry? So that is gonna wrap it up for us today. We accomplished the TEMU challenge. Caught it. Caught some fish on the TEMU $22 reel. My thoughts on it: for 22 bucks, it was okay. It's not something I'd probably purchase again. You know, we might do this again, but like, you know, with a different reel, or maybe even a rod, or maybe baits and stuff, because the stuff's really cheap on there. And yeah, for it handled okay for 22 bucks. So I think I got my money's worth in it. You know, hooked up okay rockfish. Do I wish that we could have went to a different spot? Yeah. You know, I thought I'd give it a shot. Try these swim baits that I've had for quite some time. And you know, they look really nice. They produce rockfish, but no monsters. But they hooked up on fish. We caught fish on the TEMU reel. I will be taking this reel out to the surf and, you know, trying it out there. We're going to continue to put this to the test and maybe give it a couple dunks, see how long the reel lasts. And I would say maybe if it lasts more than 20-ish trips without any issues, no corroding or anything, I think $22 was worth it. So if you haven't checked out the TEMU app, it's basically like Wish. You might find something you like. Stuff takes some time. This stuff I believe took about a week-ish, maybe a week and a half to get. Oh, what is this? Am I on a rock? Yeah, I was on a rock. So right now I'm still trolling for halibut. I lost something really good on a ooh, what was that? There's a fish that's probably another jack smelt, but I lost a really good fish on a Spanish mackerel, and I've been trolling this jack smelt since I lost my last squid. Caught a really nice brown rockfish on the squid, but yeah, no halibut today, but we got some rockfish, and that's about it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this TEMU challenge, and if you see something on TEMU that you think that I should try out, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, we'll see you on the next episode. Peace!